Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue rock candy on a stick. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and a few drops of blue food coloring. You'll also need wooden skewers or sticks and a clean glass jar or heat-safe container. This simple recipe creates beautiful, edible crystals, perfect for a fun treat or gift. Let's get started with the cooking process. Next, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once it's clear, bring the solution to a rolling boil for just 1 minute, then take it off the heat. This ensures the perfect concentration for crystal growth. Now for the fun part: adding color and setting up for crystal growth. Carefully add about 3 to 5 drops of blue food coloring to your hot sugar solution and stir gently. Dip one end of a wooden skewer into the solution, then roll it in a little extra sugar. This seeding helps crystals form. Suspend the stick in your jar, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Finally, it's time for the magic of crystal growth. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed spot where it won't be jostled. Over the next 5 to 7 days, you'll see beautiful blue crystals begin to form and grow on your stick. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove the rock candy, let it drain, and then allow it to dry completely before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.